I loved it. It was fun.
I would absolutely buy this game. I love it. This is accessible for parents, for kids. I think the gameplay it's perfect. It's got replayability. I'd play this game all the time with my kids.
It was so fun and spooky, and I can't wait to play it at Halloween. And I won.
Lots of cool game mechanics. Yeah, with all of the different strategies that came with the different mechanics that you don't see in other games. So that was very interesting.
I like that the kids could play it with us, and there was enough take that, but not in a mean way, and that we could learn it pretty quick. And there was enough interesting things there for adults as well as the kids.
I like being able to move the ghosts and portal them. I loved the portaling.
Or anybody can pick this up and enjoy it, not just play it, but have a good time, right? Because the ghost element gives you a little way. If you are that competitive side, you have that option. There's some cooperative elements if you so choose between crazy people, but yeah, it's got very well balanced.